Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm styling for you these high-waisted black jeans and with this really simple and basic black top with this turtleneck. So as you can see, this will be my base. And based on these two pieces, I will try to create many different outfit ideas by using some of the pieces that I selected here. The point is just to play around with different key pieces while trying to create as many outfits as we can while using same base. So let's get on to it. I try to create from a basic casual everyday to workwear to even night out looks. So yeah, let's get on to it.